外面下好大的雨呀！现在呢，外面在下雨，也不知道干什么好。今天来做一点有意义的事情吧，拿一本书过来读一下。这个书买了好久了都没有读完，都是英文版的，给大家小读一段吧。Genia, Chapter 1。There was no possibility of taking a walk that day. We had been wandering indeed, in the little shrubbery an hour in the morning. But since dinner, Mrs. Reed, though there was no company that early, the cold winter wind had brought with it clouds so sober, and a rays so penetrating, that further outdoor exercise was not out of question. I was glad of it. I never liked long walks, especially on chilly afternoons.Dreadful to me was the coming home in the raw twilight, with snipped fingers at toes, and a heart saddened by the chiding of Bessie, the nurse, and humbled by the consciousness of my physical inferiority of Alisa, Joe, and Georgiana Reed. 小喜，你听懂了吗？
没有。